Hi and welcome guys. In this video we will learn a special kind of probability distribution. In fact, it is special case of binomial distribution. That is, we will learn Poisson distribution. Now, before we write expression for Poisson distribution, let us write equation of binomial distribution. Probability of x number of successes is NCX, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. N is number of trials, p is probability of success, x is total number of successes, q is probability of failure, and n is number of trials. So probability of out of n trials, x number of successes is given by this equation. Now let us consider a case where value of n is very large. N tends to infinity. For example, n is 100 or 1000. Let us say we are tossing 1000 number of coins. So in this case, n is considered as very large value. Also consider probability of success is close to 0. For example, p can be 0.01, 0.05, etc. Now in the example, if you find values of n and p similar to this, you can apply Poisson distribution. Now let us define a constant lambda is equal to multiplication of n and p, and let us say lambda is a definite constant. Its value is definite. It is constant and it is definite. Now if these three conditions are satisfied, then we can express this binomial distribution as a Poisson distribution. So we can write expression for Poisson distribution. Now in this particular video, I will not derive expression for Poisson distribution from this equation using these conditions, because it is not important from our exam point of view. So I will directly write expression of Poisson distribution. Now using this condition, you can also derive equation for Poisson distribution. So for Poisson distribution, probability of x successes is given by e raised to negative lambda, lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Now this is a discrete probability distribution because x factorial, because x must be integer. Remember that factorial is defined for only integer values. So x must be integer value, is integer. And therefore this is a discrete, not a continuous. It is discrete probability distribution. So equation for probability distribution for Poisson distribution is given by this equation. Now this equation is very useful for your exam point of view. Remember, lambda is multiplication of n and p, x is number of success, p of x is probability of x successes, n is number of trials, and p is probability of success. N is equal to trials, number of trials, p is probability of success, and x is number of successes. Now guys, for this Poisson distribution, lambda is considered as mean value. So for Poisson distribution, mean is lambda and it is multiplication of n and p. So mean numbers are mu, that is n into p. In Poisson distribution also, standard deviation is under root of mean. So variance is equal to mean. So this equation is valid for a Poisson distribution. Now guys, in next video we will do some example related to Poisson distribution. In your university examination, Poisson distribution is very important. So I will see you in the next video.